Well, we got the box that we've been waiting for. We're going to do a little laptop repair, and so let's check this out. I may not be a computer repairman, but I am licensed to operate these little small screwdrivers. So let's get started on this project. Well, this is the problem that I've had on my laptop for a while, and it may be hard to see on the camera, but this button, it kind of droops to the side, kind of hangs downhill. It kind of gives me a bad button activation. What I was able to do is order a used, they call this the palm pad, and this is nice and flat and level, and all I have to do is just take out a lot of screws, and this is supposed to just swap right on there. Well, each one of these little indentions had a little Phillips head screw in it, and I just used one of these little gimme screwdrivers and the magnet to get it out of the pocket. Once you have checked and made sure that all of your screws are out, then you can remove the keyboard. You need to be careful with this ribbon. And it just disconnects like that. And so now I'm going to switch this around over to my replacement board, and I'll do it in reverse procedure on putting it back together. Right here I was going to show you what I believe was causing my problems. If you can see that movement right there, there's a crack right there. Well, I've got all the screws back in, and all I have to do now is put these little rubber plugs back in there. And we're gonna see how well this works. Well, we've got it all back together, and we're back up and going, and mouse works good. This all feels like new. With a little luck and some little screwdrivers, we got this thing back up and going. Well, this proved to be a pretty easy repair, replacing the laptop palm rest area on the computer. Wasn't too hard to swap out. So if your buttons are loose here, causing your mouse action to be kind of funny, causing your computer to do funny things, This cost me 20 bucks. So I'm back in business now. Well, hey guys, I do appreciate y'all coming by the house today and helping me work on that laptop. We're back up and going, and we're 100%, it looks like. So anyway, I do appreciate y'all coming by. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.